Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error number 1009. So how you can fix it? First thing you need just to check your software. Just try to update your iPhone to the latest software. Another thing you can also try is to disconnect from your Wi-Fi and just try to restart your iPhone, or you can also do hard reset. So just click on power and home button and just wait for 10 seconds until it will disappear screen and you will see Apple logo. So it means that you successfully made hard reset on your iPhone. So another thing you can also try is to just to get to the airplane mode. Just click on your iPhone to get to the airplane mode and just turn off airplane mode. So I will show you what I mean. Also, after you, so here you can see airplane mode. So after you will restart your phone and update your iOS, I hope that it will help you. So just check, try. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.